1975 Ford F-100 regular cab short box here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Built 302 V8 power underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, four-wheel disc brakes. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome in the front bumper and bright working grille up front. You're going to notice it looks like a little later 70s grille, headlight bezels, and it is a more modern headlight too, like an LED light or more of a high intensity discharge headlamp. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed, and all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Give you a good look at the 5-spoke wheel, radial tires. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. It's kind of a turquoise, I guess if you will, kind of a bluish green finish on this truck. Does have a tonneau cover and bed liner you're going to see here in just a bit. And we will get around to the driver's side. Check out the interior a little bit. Cloth vinyl combination bench seat. There's an aftermarket stereo. I believe it was an Alpine. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. Good sounding truck. It has dual exhaust, headers, glass pack, so it's got a little rumble to it. In the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the bed liner in the bed of the truck. And of course, like I mentioned, tonneau cover. Panels appear to be really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might find a little touch up here or there. A little rock chip that's been touched up or a blemish. But overall, nice looking truck. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. A few notes from the technician that looked at this one when it was in our service department. It says it has a new left rear axle seal, new valve covered gaskets, new ignition module. Does have a newer engine trans and rear end in the vehicle also, and you'll be able to see that from the undersides as well as that exhaust that I talked about. Let's take a look down the driver's side of this truck. There's a little spot where you might see a little touch up here, a couple of ones right around the gas fill. If you like Ford trucks, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done right off our showroom floor or right online, of course. And thank you for all of you that have subscribed and watched these videos. Well over 100,000 subscribers now. Appreciate it. You'll be able to see a close-up of the door tag in with the still pictures if you want to do any decoding there. Kind of a blue vinyl and cloth combination bench seat. Once again, tilt column. Visors, headliner. I think we need to fire this up. Electric fuel pump, you'll be able to hear run. System. I did have this working. Let's see, you want to go to source. To see. So stereo is working. Good look at the gauge cluster. Nice throttle response. I believe it was a Holly 4-barrel on there. Door closes nicely. When we get underneath the hood, you're going to notice an aluminum radiator also. HEI ignition, we'll check that out in just a bit. Nice little rumble. Deep throaty exhaust note. Let's go check out the power plant. And stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, underside of the hood. Raise that up a little bit more too. There you get a look at the aluminum radiator. Holley 4-barrel, HEI ignition, power steering, power brakes. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Looks like a serpentine belt setup. I did want to mention there's one little spot on the hood where you can kind of see the paint's checking here. I don't know if it'll show up in the video or the pictures or not. It's not real noticeable, but I did want to mention it. Otherwise, fun truck, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. It's got a good look to it. Regular cab Shortbox, 1975 Ford F-100. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1975 Ford F-100 Custom. This is a little more than custom. It's got a later model front end on it. Some of the best stylings from Ford F series, in my opinion, in this truck. And looking good with a stance of a little bit larger wheel. This is an automatic, so it's easy to drive. We have, it looks like a stainless steering column with a nice wood and chrome wheel. Acceleration is good. Stereo from Alpine. Now there's a subwoofer behind the seat that will vibrate the seat quite well. It is a nice low tone, complementing any musical choice. Our fuel gauge reads a little over a quarter of a tank. The oil pressure shows high, which is good. The speedometer working. Reading 45 miles an hour, that feels about right. Battery's charging over halfway on the gauge, and the coolant temperature is under halfway on the gauge. All those are factory gauges, and they appear to be working well. I hear an electric fuel pump that does run when I turn the key on, which helps with reliability and ease of starting. Nice looking paint, color choice. We have a reupholstered seat, beautifully done. Blue and white, cloth, and what looks like vinyl, possibly vinyl. Brakes are nice and smooth. Nice throttle response. This truck corners well as well. Leans just a little bit, about as much as it should. And a great sounding truck too. Tonneau cover on the back. Not going to find very many in this color. Check out all the pictures of this F-100 at uniqueclassiccars.com.